Hey folks, MACT's garage. Let me turn my fan off. Holy cow, it's hot in here. It's about 100 degrees. Well, it's down to 95. Anyway, I have this video. I know you all saw these videos or video that this guy was selling something. And I decided, because everybody in the group talked, you know, MACT Garage on Facebook. They were talking about this, so I went ahead and ordered it. This is my second one. First one showed up and the package was so wet that the package fell apart and all the liquid stuff came out. So I sent it back and I got another one. And this time it was put in a plastic bag. Last time it wasn't in a plastic bag. This time it's in a plastic bag. So, don't know what happened, why they did it, or anything like that. Should have everything arranged. There you go. Got it cut open. And inside it is dry, so it didn't leak. Now this is the big wipes, heavy duty textured scrubbing wipes. And in the commercial, they're saying that they can put all sorts of stuff on the hands and it'll come right off and do all that happy stuff, right? You know, one of the old, as they say, as seen on TV type things. So we're going to go ahead and open this, and once I get it open, we'll take and I got a couple of surprises for these hand towels because I have the coup de grace. If they can clean this, they have my money. They have my money anyway because I bought this stuff. And by the way, I paid my own money for this stuff, so it's not a sponsored video. We're just going to check it out to see truth in advertising, basically. So if I find it's good, then I'll keep using it. I'll let you know, and you'll see in the video, does this stuff work? And we'll go from there. Just pop this off of here, and let's see what it does. Holy cow. I guess they improved the seal from the last one I bought. This stuff ain't no joke here in this one. But anyway, we got it off. Now we just got to pull one out so that we can get it to fit up here. There you go. We have it. So we're all set. I won't take and bore you with that. But what size of sheet is it? It's not too bad. Pretty decent sized sheet to wipe your hands with. I'm going to clean my hands off on my pants. There you go. Smells good. Got to give it credit for that. But one thing we have is ceramic grease. Ceramic brake grease. We know that's some pretty sticky stuff, so I'm going to use this Permatex ceramic grease on my hand, and let's see what it does. Have my jar open and ready to go, and we're going to paint the old hand. That's right, we're going to paint it up with the ceramic grease, get it all nice and gooey. There you go. Get it in between the fingers a little bit, you never know. But we're going to get that nice and gooey. Now what do they say? You know, will this stuff work? I don't know. We'll take out a sheet here. And I think the guy just laid it on his hand. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to lay it on the hand, and he said, do this. Rub it in there. He said, rub it in, and then just keep rubbing it in, and then when they take it off the hand, then we should see if it's clean. And I'm going to tell you, it's not entirely clean, but I'm also going to tell you that it's getting on my fingers over here. Well, I gotta say it feels like it's transferring to the other hand, but I'm not certain that it is, because now it feels like the towel is cleaning it off. So you imagine if you have brake grease all over it. I don't know. It smells good too. I say that. It doesn't feel like I got grease on my hands. So I'm going to say that the brake grease that we used, it did take it off. If you got brake grease on your hands, then you're going to be good to go. And you know, doing the second one, I think might do it. But I'm going to go wash my hands with soap and water so I don't have this stuff on my hands when I put the next product on, which is the Permatex. Yeah, we know that. The Tin Man stuff. One drop of this and it gets everywhere, even places you don't want it to be. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to wash my hands with soap and water, and then we'll have nice fresh clean hands to take and coat up with this stuff and see what it actually does. Does it work with these big towels? So anyway, we got one win for big towels on the brake grease. I feel a little stickiness now that it's drying, so I'm going to say that yeah, I don't know if a second one's going to do any better. Let's try that. I do feel stickiness, like a residue, but I don't know if it's because of the stuff or what. Maybe it takes two towels, you know, because that one was pretty well coated, but it did clean up pretty good. So let's see if the second one does it. Let my hands dry a bit, and it doesn't dry fast, folks. That's, I think, the key to the whole thing. It's like a lotion, and it takes a few minutes for it to dry, but then you'll tell after it dries whether or not you got everything off of there. Starting to dry now, so yeah, the second one did a lot better. I don't feel the grease on there in it, so it took two to actually do it, but the first one did get a majority of it off. I'm going to go wash my hands so I get all this lotion off of here, and then we'll go ahead and do the next one. Now, I got to say, washing my hands with soap and water, they feel clean. I can, you know, so we're going to go ahead and get this one. Now, we know that this stuff here, in this case it's Permatex aluminum anti-seize lubricant. Let me stir it up here a little bit. Make sure we got it nice, and there you go. Nice big glob. Look at that. There you go. Nice big glob. We're going to go ahead and paint the hand with it. Now, we all know a little bit goes a long ways, right? A little bit goes a long ways. So, gosh, I hope this doesn't stick. Oh, God. That's more than I'd use for any function, for anything. Holy cow. We know this is probably going to be a fail, right? Well, oh, I don't know. I'm so, how do you say it? I'm going to use a word I don't usually use, but I think I'm going to be so screwed. Anyway, there you go. We can see it's going through to this hand, but it's coming off as I rub it. So we're patting it down. They said to do that. So anyway, it is getting through to this hand, and there you go, folks. It is too much for the towel, I think. This is too much for the towel. One towel ain't gonna cut it. So yeah, it's just transferring back and forth very minutely. I'm going to keep rubbing it. They say one will do it, but I'm not thinking it's going to work. There, we're still rubbing. It's going down my arm. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it's absorbed as much as it's going to absorb. So we're going to do another one, because one ain't enough. I still have stuff on my hands, but now I'm getting it off with the second one. So it's going to take two, you know, to get it all off of here, I think. Oh my gosh. Stuff's everywhere. But I'm getting it off. Okay. Well, I'm going to let y'all be the judge. Took two. This is what the second one's looking like, so it is picking up the remaining amount vice the first one. Look at that thing. Looks like the Tin Man, right? Well, with a second one, I can honestly say that I got it all. Except for in the deep crevices of my fingernails, I guess. But even that's picking it up if you clean on it. So there you go, folks. That's it. They feel clean. The lotion's on there. Feel nice and soft. So hey, it may not get it on the first try, but it gets it on the second try. But the first try does get a vast majority of it. So I'm going to say that yeah, it was worth the money. If it can clean up anti-seize, you got my bet. So I think that was a test. I didn't see them using anti-seize or anything like that. So we can say this stuff works. And I would buy another jug of it because I'm impressed. It does work. And that's what really counts. So hope you learned something from it. I hope this helped you make a decision on the old big wipes, heavy duties. Yes, they can handle anti-seize, folks. That's the holy grail as far as I'm concerned. So big wipes works. Get them on Amazon. I'll put the link below, and you can get them into your garage and help you keep your hands clean. Anyway, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage on Facebook and also on YouTube. Remember, hey, never hurts to help watch these videos. This channel just started, so please watch the videos, click on some ads, help me make some money off of these to help pay for things like this, to give you some reviews and also cars and everything else that I work with. So anyway, that's my begging for now. Band of One's always got some great music. Mercy Girl, she's always got a couple one-liners, and my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.